Hello! In front of me I have ALCATEL OneTouch Go, and I'm gonna show you how to measure the heart rate on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the power button. Once you wake up the screen, press the Go button to open the menu. You can scroll through this menu by swiping left and right on the screen. Now, find the heart rate icon. This is the one with the heart on it, right here, and tap on it to open this menu. And before we start the measurement, make sure to get the most accurate results of your measurement, to put your watch on your wrist, secure it tightly so it won't move around, and also while you're measuring, try to keep still to get the most accurate results. I'm just gonna put my finger on the sensor right here, but my results might be not too accurate because of that. Okay, once your watch is secured tightly and you want to start the measuring, tap on the icon right here, the heart icon. And after a couple of seconds, you should get the results. As you can see here, we have it. And once you're done, you can simply tap on the, or rather press the Go button rather, to go back like this. And you can press it again to go back to watch face. And that's how you measure the heart rate on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.